Hi guys! For today's adventure, we're taking you to a slice of paradise, Stilts Calatagan, in the beautiful province of Batangas, Philippines. This is a 24-hectare tropical escape, is packed with scenic views, peaceful vibes, and picture-perfect spots at every turn. They've got two stunning infinity pools that make you feel like you're swimming right into the sky. And yes, there's a beachfront with powdery sands and crystal clear waters that just melts your stress away. Whether you're here for a chill staycation or a fun group getaway, there's a plenty of amenities to enjoy. From cozy floating cottages to beachfront lounges to serenade garden trails. And don't worry, if you're not up for walking, you can request a free shuttle service via jeepney to take you around this massive resort. And you can just sit back and enjoy the ride. Trust me, this place is a whole vibe. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Stilts Calatagan together.
Kasama na ba yung mga bata? Ay.
Kaya lang pag ano mo marunong sa dito maganda sa info. Dito mamaya tayong dalawa.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose.
Father Eddie.
Tingin ka rin. Magpredo.
May nagpa-crawl dun.
Ay, ano to?
Sea cucumber?
Sipit. Di ba ang dami nakadilat to?
They're all moving.
Yes. They're alive.
Alright, thank you so much for our band. Everybody, can you give a round of applause for our band? Thank you so much for that wonderful sounds. And now,
babaan. Ang tanong, baka naman yun yung malalim. Ito magandang bonggang bigya, oh. Pag sama-samahin mo sila. Mahulog.
Kaya dito po pag kami ready, hindi siyempre pinakasal. Kita po na yan.
Ah, ito.
Kompleto po na yan.
Meron din.
Ganun kasi siyempre pinakasal. Apo, pataas ka sir. Mamaya local din ha.
For more contents like this, like and follow for more.